reasons why you need professional assistance in relation to your immigration application, especially for the Global Talent Program. The first reason that we have better common sense. So I'm not arguing with you that you know how on earth an immigration agent will know your work. It is because we have better common sense. And then lots of applications, the decision made by common sense. We have policy, we have this, but we have some kind of level of understanding. When people make decision, it's really subjective, especially in a situation where the policy itself is very vague. So the case officer has really fast room to really make decision on what they think is the right thing to do. Although they might consult with the professionals in that area, consultant, but they actually reach their decision alone, using and they should that. Okay, they should be that like that. So they can actually make judgment alone. Therefore, you need a lot of a level of common sense. Something like it's not trainable. I have to stress a lot of professionals, they don't have that very high level of common sense. Feel confused. They don't know what's the important things to do. They focus something in not important. So it's never with common sense. We have very high level of that. Although I must argue that we have a professional understanding of everything too. The second reason why you need professional assistance, it's we are third parties. Professional assistance means you have someone looking at your file with eyeball view, and not, in our case, we don't as one consultant. We have multiple consultants working on the same file. So hence we actually move very fast. So it's really critical for us to move fast because, you know, our file, we've got a lot of, we want to move on, get invited to move on, get invited very fast. So third party give you a really critical view of what is missing actually, something blind spot. You have blind spot, you don't know what is missing in your profile. And the third one, you will avoid making mistakes. Something it's very obvious to you, but you make mistakes basically on your current judgment, on your understanding. So you make mistake. And the fourth one, it's immigration consultants really, they give you full picture of everything. Therefore, for example, we don't have access just to one file, have hundreds of files. So we know, a lot of cases, we know the particular company, we know the company pay, we know the structure, we know the statistics. We have the access to the same statistics the Australian government has. Think about that, yeah, think about that. Because if I specialize in an area, a particular region,